The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of the women's forehand and her corresponding height. So they are given one table here. The length of the forehand for women, and that women height also they are given. 35 centimeter forehand means that women's height is 56. 45 means 65. Like that they are given. Based on this data, students find out the relation between height and the forehand length. Based on that, they are find out that one equation y equal to ax plus b, where ab is a constant. Ab is a constant, and you have to check it if this relation is a function. Second question, a and b you have to find out. This relation is a function. This a value, b value you have to find out. Next, third question, find the height of women whose forehand length is 40 centimeter. Forehand length 40 centimeter means what is the height of women. The next question, length of forehand you have to find out, that women's height they are given. So one by one we have to see. First one, the data in the adjacent table, what are all they are given? 35, 45, this is the x, this is y. So first question is what? You have to put to arrow diagram. 35, 45, 50, 55. The next one, 56, 65, 69.5, 74. This is the x, this is y. So 35 to which value is there? 56. Next, 45 to 65. The next, 50 means 69.5. 55, 74. So what they are given? Every element in X has unique image in Y. So this function, this relation is called function. This one. Okay. The next one, second one. Find A and B. Find A and B. What is the condition they are given? Y equal to ax plus b. Y equal to ax plus b. So I have to take the first set value first. So x value, y value. X is equal to 35. Y equal to 56. X equal to 35 means y equal to 56. So I have to substitute this value. Y equal to value as what? 56 equal to a into 35 plus b. So 56 equal to 35a plus b. This is equation number 1. The next one, y equal to ax plus b. So second value, 45, 65 you are taken. Y equal to ax plus b. So x value is what? Next value 45, 65. X value 45, y value 65. So I have to substitute here. 65 equal to a into 45 plus b. So 65 equal to 45a plus b. This is equation number 2. So you have to solve these two equations. So 56 equal to 35a plus b. Next 65 equal to 45a plus b. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So you have to solve these equation. Equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2. Like this is the. So plus b minus b. I am going to cancel this. So symbol everything changed. Plus means minus. Here. Plus means minus. Here. Plus changed into minus. So plus b minus b cancel. Plus b minus b cancel. So 56 minus 65 minus 9 equal to 35 minus 45a. 35 minus 45 minus 10a. Minus minus cancel. So 10a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 by 10. Otherwise 0.9. 0.9. We have to use 1 places. Substitute x equal to 0.9 in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? 56 equal to 35a plus b. So 56 equal to 35 into 0.9 plus b. So 35, 9 multiple, 9 5s are 45, remaining 4, 27, 31. Point after 1 digit, 31.5. So 56 equal to 31.5 plus B. So this B you have to keep it here. This one move this side. 56 minus 31.5 equal to B. 56 31.5. So I got to subtract it. 10 here 5. 10 minus 5 5. 5 minus 1 4. Okay, here 4. Sorry, 5 only. 5 minus 3 2. So B is equal to 24.5. So now second value over. A value also we found. X value A value also found. B value also found. Third one, what you have to find out? Third one is what? Find the height of women. Foreground length. So foreground length means what? Foreground length means X they are given. Y you have to find out. X what's a 40 centimeter. Y we don't know. A value 9 by 10. Otherwise 0.9. B value 24.5. So what is the condition? Y equal to AX plus B. Y value we don't know. A value here 40 they are given. So I am taking 9 by 10 into 40. A value 9 by 10. X value 40 plus B value 24.5. Okay. 1010 strike out. 9 4s are 36 plus 24.5. You have to add these 36.0, 24.5. Add 5, 10 remaining 1, 6. So Y is equal to 60.5 inches. Okay. Y value we found. Next, fourth question. Foreground length we have to find out. Women's height. Y value they are given. You have to find out the X value. Y value is what? 53.3 inches. X value we don't know. A value here decimal is there, so I am using the decimal 0.9. B value 24.5. So the next one, Y equal to AX plus B. So Y value 53.3 is equal to 0.9 into X value we don't know plus 24.5. This one you got to move this side. 53.3 minus 24.5 equal to 0.9x. So 53.3 24.5. Subtract it. 13 here 2. So 8 borrow 4 12. 12 minus 4 8 2. So 28.8 is equal to 0.9x. So x is equal to 28.8. This one move this side 0.9. Point after one digit. So multiple by 10 10. So 288 by 9. Normally 1 9 is 9. 3 9s are 27. Remaining 1 2 9s are 18. So x equal to 32 centimeter. X equal to 32 centimeter. That's all. Thank you, students.